Hi, Dr. Stern here, and today I'm going to give you some great tips to help you get a better night's sleep, specifically by decreasing blue light. Now, what is blue light and where does it come from? Blue light is a high energy visible light source that comes from the sun. Back in the day, that was a good thing because blue light would set up our circadian rhythm, it would help us have more daytime energy, and give us that wakefulness that you're supposed to be feeling during the day. The problem is, we're getting so much blue light from other sources. Lamps and light bulbs, tablets, cell phones, TVs, computer screens and laptops are all extra sources of blue light that are creating issues, and specifically health problems. So what are some health problems that blue light's causing? Number one, blue light again should be coming from the sun during the daytime to make us feel awake. When we're on our cell phones, watching TV, when we're on our computer screens or laptops at night, that blue light is decreasing our natural melatonin production. And melatonin is the chemical produced by our brain that helps us fall and stay asleep. So, all this extra nighttime blue light is impacting your ability to get a great night's sleep. Number two, blue light increases eye strain, which can lead to headaches. And the third thing that blue light does is it can actually cause macular degeneration. Now, macular degeneration is a serious disease that can lead to blindness. So blue light is a serious issue. But there are 4 things that you can do to help decrease that blue light and help your eyes and help you get a great night's sleep. Number 1, they sell glasses that filter out the blue light. They're not expensive, and you can wear those at night when you're on your cell phone or watching TV to help decrease that blue light naturally. Number 2, they sell special light bulbs that don't emit blue light. If you're reading a regular book or you're walking around your house at night, if these light bulbs are on and are not emitting blue light, your body's still allowed now to produce that melatonin, and it will help you fall and stay asleep. Number 3, one of my favorite things is on the cell phone now, you could actually set the settings so where that blue light is emitted from your cell phone in the cell phone settings. It's so cool because unfortunately I live a busy life and sometimes I need to be on my cell phone at night. It's wonderful to know that the cell phone blue light is being emitted and I don't even have to think about it. I set it automatically, and at a certain time every night the blue light gets emitted. And the 4th thing, which is ultimately the best thing, is to go old school. Get rid of the cell phone, get rid of the tablets and the computer screens, shut off the lights, light some candles, get rid of all the electronics, and just relax and have a great evening without all this blue light and all this electrical activity, and allow your melatonin production to rise up naturally, and then you're gonna fall, stay asleep, and have a wonderful night. So those are the 4 possible solutions to decreasing blue light. It can be a very serious issue. It can affect your eyes, it can affect your ability to fall and stay asleep. So I hope this helps. I'll see you soon, and I hope you have an amazing day.